Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to automate Google Sheets in order to automate the process of removing duplicates from a certain spreadsheet, and we'll set it up where it'll automate it and remove the duplicates every day at a certain time. So let's get right into it. So here's the problem. I've got this Google Sheet. I use make.com to pull in a bunch of sports betting odds. This is just the example I'm using, a bunch of sports betting odds, and I put them into Google Sheets every day. However, sometimes duplicates are going to come up. Like there's duplicates here, duplicates down there. I don't want to have these duplicates in there, but I also want to manually go in every day and remove the duplicates. So what we can do is we can create a thing called an app script. So if you go to extensions, app scripts, that's kind of like a macro in Excel. It's just a script that will run and remove these duplicates for us. However, being able to code that is not always easy, but we don't need to know how to do that because there's ChatGPT or other AI programs, Claude or tons of other ones that you can use. I'm going to just show us how to use this in ChatGPT. So first, I want to rename this tab. We'll just call it odds. And now we're just going to go into ChatGPT and write what we want. Just talk to it just like it's a programmer, like it's to another person, a coworker. So I have a Google Sheet where I pull in sports odds daily. Sometimes there's duplicates. Please write me a app script to remove these duplicates. There are 6, let me just double check. Okay, column F. So there's 6 tabs, or there's 6 columns of data, columns data F. And I want to check all 6 columns for duplicates. The tab name is props, or what did I call it? Oh, tab name is odds. Let's see, tab name is odds. Okay, that should be all the information that we need to tell it. We just wanted to remove duplicates and what tab to do it on. And we wanted to write the app script, so it's going to tell us what it's going to do. So below is a clean, production-ready Google app script. Look at odds, check columns A to F, remove rows that have duplicates across all 6 columns, and preserve the header row, row 1. So now here's our script. You don't need to understand this even. If you go through it, though, it's a lot of it is pretty self-explanatory where you can change it. See, here's the sheet is odds. If you wanted to do it on a different sheet, you could just go in here and change it. See, the last column is 6. If we go scroll down more, it's a little tricky to understand, but you don't really even need to understand it. So how to install it, we're just going to go to app scripts and paste it in there, and then we'll save it. So let's copy this. And what we're going to do is go to extensions, app scripts. Should open up app scripts. It possibly may ask us to, when we run it, like if we need to trust the app, and we'll get into that if it does. So I'm just going to delete this and Control V to paste it in. So now we've got our whole script. It's called remove duplicates odds. Got everything there. Now all we're going to do is save it. Once you save it, there it is. So remove duplicates odds. This is the name of the function. And if we want to run it, I'm going to just run it in once now just to make sure that it works. Let's go back in here and see right on the first 2 lines, there's a duplicate here, and we're going on row 73. So let's run this and let's see if it works. Let's run. Okay, so authorization required. App might not work as expected without providing requested. So we got to review the permissions. It says hasn't verified the app. So you can go back safety, but if you want to do it, you just click on advanced and continue only if you understand the risks and trust the developer. Well, the developer was Chat AI or Open AI or ChatGPT. So let's do it. And now we just want to Click continue. There we go. It ran it. Duplicates removed, 2 rows deleted, and it's completed. So now if you look, that first duplication is gone, and we're down to 71 rows. So it worked perfectly. It removed the duplicates. And the only thing is we still are doing this manually. However, what we can do, we go remove duplicates. Let's go over here to this triggers. And we want to put a trigger on here. So let's add a filter. Or no, here we'll add a trigger. Which function? Remove duplicates. Time driven, actually. We don't want from spreadsheet. So we want a time driven one. And we want this daily timer. We want it just once a day. And what time of the day do you want to run this? I'm just going to say every 1 to 2 p.m. That just works out good for me because I run these odds in the morning. I can get it to dedupe this at between 1 and 2 p.m. And then we can also, if you want to notify you daily, you can do that. We'll click save. And then our trigger is all set up. And then every day, it's going to look on this sheet, look at these 6 tabs, and dedupe it. So, okay, hope this was good help for you. If you had any other questions on automation or anything, or problems with it, let me know. Thanks.